Hi. I know there's a lot of stresses and worries bombarding us at this time, but I remember Jewel Kutzer, the founder of our spiritual center, and how she used to always say, whatever you put your attention on manifests in your life. So if you put your attention on stressful things like the 6 o'clock news, don't be surprised if you get stressed. So I have an alternative for you. Come to my class this coming Wednesday, September 16th at 6:30. It will help you gain a truer outlook on life. I'll give you tools you can use to help you calm the stresses and reawaken the joys of life. Just click on the link provided on September 16th at 6:30, and we will put our attention on the amazing beauty of life. Thank you, and I hope to see you there.